Valentine Travel Solutions have recently invested in a set of 4G8 AC washbay mobile column lifts from TOTALKARE, accompanied by two sets of 4-axle stands. The G8 AC washbay mobile column lift is hot galvanized, meaning it's designed specifically for use where environmental conditions can change. They offer protection against water ingress, which lifts that are simply painted cannot offer. Unlike a fixed system, it can be moved easily around the workshop, so whether it's set up inside or outdoors, this piece of equipment ensures reliability. The new equipment implementation allows them to bring their maintenance in-house, saving servicing and maintenance costs for the business. At TOTALKARE, we're proud to provide reliable, durable solutions that help businesses keep their vehicles in top condition while minimizing downtime and maintenance costs.